how to build an emergency fund. Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about a financial game changer, building an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can hit at any time, but with the right plan, you'll be ready for whatever life throws your way. Let's get started. What is an emergency fund and why it's important? An emergency fund is your financial safety net, money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or even job loss. Why does this matter? Reduces stress, helps you avoid high-interest debt, no more last-minute credit card swipes, gives you financial confidence. If you don't have an emergency fund, unexpected costs could throw your finances off track. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to build one. Step 1. Set a savings goal. First things first, set a goal. Most experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. That may sound overwhelming, but don't panic. Start small. Aim for $1,000 first, then work your way up. Step 2. Open a dedicated savings account. Keep your emergency fund separate from your regular spending account. This keeps you from accidentally using it for a shopping spree. Open a high-yield savings account so your money grows while it sits there. Step 3. Automate your savings. One of the best tricks? Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund every payday. Even if it's just $20 or $50 a month, consistency is key. Step 4. Cut back on non-essentials. Finding extra cash to save? It's easier than you think. Cut back on dining out, cancel unused subscriptions. Look for cheaper alternatives. Hello, home-brewed coffee. Every little bit helps. Redirect those savings straight into your emergency fund. Step 5. Save windfalls and unexpected cash. Got extra cash? Instead of splurging, save it. Tax refunds, work bonuses, monetary gifts. A big deposit can fast-track your savings goal. Step 6. Stay consistent and celebrate milestones. Saving takes time, but staying consistent pays off. Celebrate small wins. Every $100 saved is a step toward financial security and peace of mind. Action plan, recap, and motivation. Quick recap. Set a savings goal. Start with $1,000, then aim for 3-6 months of expenses. Open a separate emergency fund account. Automate savings every payday. Cut back on non-essentials and redirect the savings. Save windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses. Stay consistent and celebrate progress. Building an emergency fund is one of the best financial decisions you can make. Start today, stay committed, and watch your savings grow. See you in the next lesson. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more financial tips. What's your first emergency fund goal? Let me know in the comments.